But when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father will leave me high, and then spin my mother with me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then at the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with them, I played a song that would never ever end, 'cause I love, love, love dance with my father again. When my mother disagree, to get my way I would run from her to here. You make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said, later that night when I was asleep. He left a doll under my sheet, never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I played a song that would never ever end, 'cause I love, love, love dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside the door, and I hear my mother cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord she's saying, dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all